My name's Armin Morin, and I am here in my home training center. As you guys can see in back of me, we are all set up. We have about 50 people coming in or so for a training over the course of the next week, which is pretty kind of awesome. I do a lot of trainings here. In fact, we have a new training session that we're doing every single month, but that's not why I'm talking to you guys today. As I'm getting ready for today, I have a private client coming in. The question is, what is holding you back? That's the question. First of all, there's two kinds of lists that you actually need to have. Number one is the list that says what you need to do. There is a to-do list that you absolutely have to have where you have all the different things that you need to do within your company that needs to be done. And either you have to do it or you have to find someone else to do it. That's the short version of that. We'll probably talk about that another time. But I use a program called Todoist, T-O-D-O-I-S-T, Todoist. Look it up. You can get it on Mac, a PC, you can put it on your iPhone, you can put it on your iPad, tablet, whatever it is that you actually happen to have. But the fact is that it allows you to keep a list and allows you to assign tasks to other people. So it's pretty awesome, and that's what we use for that. Now, the second type of list that you need to actually have is, for example, when I'm working with clients, one of the things that I ask them all the time is, well, what is holding you back? What is blocking you from achieving the goals and objectives that you want to accomplish? So you have to have that second list, because the second list is where you actually find out the bottlenecks. The bottlenecks as far as what is stopping you from going forward. Now, once you have this list, you can kind of address them one at a time. But the part is if you don't have the list, how are you going to do it? You can't. So what you need to do is you need to actually go ahead and make these two lists. Number one, the first list is, well, what you need to do. Overall, all the different tasks that you need to do on a daily basis. The second thing that you need to do is you need to put a list together of all the things that are holding you back and work on those two lists. It's actually very simple when you really kind of think about this. It's actually not complicated at all, but you need to have it written down. You need to have it somewhere where you can access it, but you need those two lists. So again, what needs to be done overall within your company. Number two, you need a list of all the things that are holding you back so you can address those things one at a time and start working on solutions in order to fix those things. So I hope this helps. I'll talk to you soon. Again, my name is Armin Morin. Bye-bye, everybody.